Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal was one of the greatest poets, thinkers, and national heroes in the history of Pakistan.
He is known as the poet of the East and is respected by people for his deep thoughts, inspiring poetry, and love for his country.
Allama Iqbal was born on November 9, 1877 in Sialkot, a city in present-day Pakistan.
He was a very intelligent and hard-working student.
He received his early education in Sialkot and then went to Lahore for higher studies. He later went to England and Germany for further education, where he studied philosophy and law.
Iqbal was not only a great poet but also a deep thinker. His poetry was full of powerful ideas about self-respect, hard work, and the importance of education. He wrote in both Urdu and Persian, and his words touched the hearts of people. His famous books of poetry include Bang Edra, Bali Jibril, and Payam-e Mashriq.
Allama Iqbal strongly believed that young people were the future of the nation.
He always encouraged them to work hard, dream big, and never give up. His poems like Lab Pi Hai Dua and Tului Islam are still taught in schools and are loved by students. He played an important role in creating awareness among the people of the subcontinent. He dreamed of a separate country where people could live freely and progress. Although he passed away in 1938, before Pakistan was created, his ideas inspired many leaders and people who later worked to make Pakistan a reality. Allama Iqbal died on April 21, 1938, but his thoughts and poetry still live on.